Hello children, how are you guys? Hope you're all fine, safe, healthy, and are you doing your classwork children? After each video I'm posting five questions in the evening so that lethargically evening you can write. Slowly I'm sending it in the evening. The peacefully you will write in the evening. Are you doing your classwork regularly? Okay, fine. Children, you remember what we studied in the last class? We studied about the various diseases which we get because of the microorganisms. Okay, and one of your classmate, I don't remember what's the name of the child. He asked me like because of which organism the anthrax is caused and in whom it is caused. Anthrax is a bacterial disease which is commonly seen in human being and cattle. Okay, it was a common disease, but not now. Okay, it is like to an extent it is eradicated. Okay, not only human being and plants have diseases. Okay, all the animals, okay, they also have disease. For example, cattle have a disease, namely foot and mouth disease. It is because of the virus. Okay, and at regular basis, if you have a pet animal like dog, we have to give vaccination so that they will be prevented by many diseases. And we know, rabies is a disease which we get from the dog. It is a viral disease. So not only human being and plant, even animals are suffering with diseases. Okay, now let's move on to another important interesting topic, that is disease in microbial diseases in plants. Okay, almost all the variety of crops have microbial diseases. Okay, they are prone to microbial diseases, and few it is given in your content book. Okay, just turn with me to page number 25. Okay, there is a tabular column which is about the plant diseases. Okay, first one is the bacterial disease. It is in the citrus plant, namely citrus canker. Okay, citrus canker, it's a bacterial disease and its mode of transmission is air. You know what is my mode of transmission? How they spread. Okay, how the disease spread. That is called as the mode of transmission. So mode of transmission in the case of citrus canker is air. Okay, next one, rust in wheat. Okay, rust of wheat. It is a fungal disease. It is because of the diseased seeds and the air. It get transmitted because of the diseased seed and air. Okay, and the third one is the yellow vein mosaic in bindi. Bindi means okra. Okra is nothing but the lady's finger. It is a viral disease. It's because of the insect. Okay, only 3 diseases are given in your book, but I put a few more clippings in your video. Okay, there are few more bacterial diseases. Not only bacterial diseases, there are so many microbial diseases which occurs in the plant. Okay, red rot in sugarcane. I don't know how many of you have observed it. In the case of sugarcane, you will find somewhat red color line going from one end of the node to the other end. Okay, that disease is called as the red rot in sugarcane. Okay, so each and every plant, it is prone to some microbial diseases. Is it clear, children? Okay, and the next small topic which we are going to discuss now, it is the food poisoning. Okay, food poisoning, it's nothing, it's a type of upset by our body. Okay, our body is a sensitive, our body is composed of a sensitive organs. Okay, our stomach, it's very sensitive. When the foreign organism enters inside, foreign organism, what I meant it is microorganism. When a foreign organism enter inside, our body start reacting against it. That is nothing but the food poisoning. Okay, the microorganism which grows on our food items, when we take it, maybe it may be a stale food or spoiled food and all, what happens, our body start reacting to it, which leads to food poisoning. Okay, it may be loose motion, it may be vomiting, okay, it may be dizziness, they may sometimes faint. Okay, stomach upset, we have lot of headache, lot of symptoms we get because of the food poisoning. Food poisoning, it's basically because of the microorganism. Okay, The food gets spoiled because of the microorganism, and if we do not bother about the spoiled food and if we just consume it, we get prone to the food poisoning. Is that clear, children? Okay, bye.